Let's make a delicious lamb leg roast, also known as mutton leg roast, without using an oven. It's simple, made with everyday spices, and once you taste it, you really can't stop. Juicy, tender, and packed with deep, rich flavor. This is the kind of dish you make when you want something truly special. I have one whole lamb leg here, a little under 2 kilos. First, I'm making deep cuts into the meat. This step is key. It allows all the marinade to go deep inside so every bite is full of flavor. On the other side, I'm gently poking the meat with a knife. You can do either or both. Just make sure the surface is open enough to absorb everything. Now let's prepare the marinade. In a bowl, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon whole spice powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. For a little balance and depth, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon mustard paste, and 2 heaped tablespoons yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons oil and the juice of 1 lemon. Mix everything until it turns into a smooth, rich marinade. At this point, taste it. Adjust the seasoning if needed. This is where you set the flavor. Now take the lamb leg and start marinating. Take your time here. Massage the marinade into every cut, every surface. Making sure it's evenly coated. This step really defines the final taste. Once done, cover and refrigerate for at least 24 hours. It takes patience, but this is what gives you that deep, developed flavor. The next day, we cook. I'm using an instant pot here to save time, but you can absolutely do this in a regular pot if you prefer slow cooking. Add about 1.5 glasses of water to create steam. Place the marinated lamb leg inside, cover, and pressure cook for about 1 hour to 1 hour 20 minutes. While that's cooking, let's prepare a quick fresh salad. Slice half an onion, separate the layers and add it to a bowl. Add half a tomato, thinly sliced, and 1 green chili. Season with a little salt, black pepper, fresh parsley, and a pinch of sumac for a tangy finish. If you don't have sumac, lemon juice or vinegar works just as well. Mix gently and the salad is ready. Now let's check the lamb. Insert a knife. If it goes in easily, it's perfectly tender. Now for the final step, roasting. Transfer the lamb along with its juices into a wide pan or wok. Cook on high heat and let the extra moisture evaporate. This takes about 5-6 minutes. As the liquid reduces, the masala thickens and begins to cling to the meat. Now take that rich masala and coat it all over the lamb again. At this stage, you can add a quick charcoal smoke for that deep, smoky aroma. It's optional, but it really elevates the dish. If needed, add a little oil and roast for another 1 to 2 minutes, and that's it. A beautifully roasted lamb leg, tender, juicy, and full of bold flavor, without using an oven. Serve it with plain rice, pulao, or even biryani. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and pour any remaining masala over the top. Just look at this. So soft, so flavorful, every bite packed with spice and richness. Make this for a special occasion or whenever you want something unforgettable. And when you do, let me know how it turned out. I'll see you in the next one.